Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy prosperous new year. So guys, it's Christmas day and we're just taking a walk because we're tired of staying inside, so we decided to take a walk around my area. So guys, before now, every Christmas time when you see this area is fully decorated. Everywhere will be decorated, the whole street will be decorated. But this Christmas, guys, the Sakba, he reach your body. This Christmas, no decoration, nothing. Everywhere is just empty. As in, your place is just somehow not even beautiful. Last year Christmas, other Christmas that I've experienced here, everywhere is just beautiful. But this one, nothing, no, nothing, guys. So we said, let us carry you guys along. We are strolling. We are on the streets, taking a walk. People are coming back from Flessing. I don't know where they're coming from, but the whole compound is just quiet, so we decided to take a stroll out. That's Obi there. You know, one shot for my camera. He's walking. He just walking. He just walked away. He said, "Carry your camera, go that side though." So they are coming behind. We did not allow him to push the stroller. She said she wants me to be the one to push the stroller. So since he gave me work, no problem. So we see Christmas in Europe.
We'd build this castle of sand. We'd hear the rush in the wind. Now we have come to an end. That we'd stay on land. But now when I fall and when I cry, wish that it'd pick me up. When all of my tears are running dry, who'll take me back to the top? The waves come crashing in. The roaring south is listening. Echoes lost again. Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening? We'd build this castle of sand. We'd hear the rush in the wind. Now we
So guys, this is what Christmas evening looks like in Italy. Everywhere is just quiet. Your place is silent. You can only see few cars passing by. Only few cars that you will see on the road. Your place is so quiet. We came out because baby was crying. The two of them, since yesterday, they've been feeling sick. They have cough and catarrh. Baby is running temperature, and she has been crying and crying. So that's why we said let us just throw us for them to change, so that they will change her. That's why we came out and said, let me show you guys so that you will pity for us. Home is home, guys. There's no place like home. No place like home, because so the people of Italy, this Christmas will be very, very tough for them. I think it will be very interesting, so enjoyable. But for we that came from other countries, because we have other experience, it will be that's why it looks somehow to us. But for them, it's fun. They are having a lot of fun. But because we've stayed, we didn't come from here. We've stayed in our country. We have experienced it in our country, so we know the difference. So that's why we are feeling this way. For them, they are just having fun. But for we that are immigrants, God does not come from this place, because we are not finding it funny. It's not interesting to us. We are not having fun like we have fun in our own country. So guys, we are already home. I just came to drop the stroller off in the garage. So I'm going inside now with the kids because they did not follow. Only refused to follow the dad. So she said she wants to come with me. So we are going inside now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a great Christmas. I hope you had fun in your Christmas. Do have a wonderful day, and then see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Stay on land. But now when I fall and when I cry, wish that a pig